15.5. Find 15 plus 12 minus negative 8 plus negative 15.5 plus 3.2. So we're just taking the sum and differences of a bunch of integers right here, both positive and negative integers. We have no multiplication or division. So order of operations, we can literally just go from left to right over here. So let's just start off with 15 plus 12. That's pretty straightforward. That is 27. So this boils down to 27 minus negative 8 plus negative 15.5 plus 3.2. Now let's just do the 27 minus negative 8. Now, subtracting a negative number is the exact same thing as adding the positive version of it. So this part right over here, subtracting a negative 8, that is the same thing as adding an 8. You can view it as the negatives canceling out if you like, that this negative negates this negative over here. So this whole expression becomes 27 plus 8 plus negative 15.5 plus 3.2. Now 27 plus 8 is going to be 35. And then you have 35 plus negative 15.5. Adding a negative number is the exact same thing as subtracting the positive version of it, or subtracting its absolute value. So this is going to be the same thing as 35 minus 15.5, and then you still have that plus 3.2. So let's just concern ourselves with 35 minus 15.5. And we could do this in our head. You could do it on pen. You could do it out, I guess, do it fully on paper if you like. But 35 minus 15 would be 20. And then we're going to subtract another half. So it's going to get us to 19 and a half. So it's going to be 19.5. And then we have 19.5 plus 3.2. Now what is that? We have 19.5 plus 3.2. 5 plus 2 is 7. We have our decimal point right there. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry or regroup that 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is going to be equal to 22.7.